Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from your previous device onto Samsung Galaxy A26. And first off, let's begin with the fact that you can either move your files during the setup of your Samsung Galaxy A26. You will be asked about it, so you can just select on next, then follow the steps that I'm gonna show you, or you can do it post setup with the Smart Switch app, which I'm gonna do, but if you do it through the setup, then all the steps will be exactly the same. And let's begin by entering the Smart Switch app if you're doing it with this method after setup. Then click on continue, allow everything, and now you're asked whether you want to send from this phone or receive on this phone. So select receive on this phone, then select whether your old device is Android or iOS. I think for both of these systems it's gonna be completely similar, but I'm gonna select Android since probably it's more likely for you to have your previous device as Android. And then you can select whether it's wireless or cable. If you want to do it through a cable, then just follow the steps that are gonna be shown, but I'm gonna do it wirelessly since most of the people, not everyone has a cable, right? So I'm gonna disconnect Wi-Fi. And now if I don't have a Samsung phone, if I don't have a Galaxy phone, then I will need to get the Smart Switch app. So I can just go to the Play Store on my phone or App Store on your iPhone and search for Smart Switch. But if you can't find it, then you can just click on Get Smart Switch on your old device. And I'm gonna select other Android phone or tablet because this is relevant to me. Then open the camera app and scan the QR code. If you can't scan the QR code with the camera app, then open Google app. And in the Google app, select Google Lens, which is this camera icon, and that'll let you scan a QR code as well. So once the QR code is pointed on, you can click on the link from that. And I already have the Smart Switch, so I'm gonna open it. Click on Let's Go and select wireless. Now they are sending a sort of sound between both of these devices. And let's click on accept. I hope that this sound will finish quickly because it's pretty annoying, but now it is connected. So we just need to wait until the connection is completed and select what to copy. You can see that you can transfer everything, just accounts, calls and messages, or custom. In the custom, you will be able to select what to copy. I'm gonna select just accounts, calls, contacts and messages to make it quicker. You can see this will take about a minute and everything will take 48 minutes. I don't want to wait that long. Or maybe let's select custom and click on next. Here, I'm not gonna select apps because this is quite a lot of gigabytes, but I'm gonna select everything besides that and maybe not the documents and files. Or let's select them as well, then click on transfer. And now it's calculating the remaining time, then it'll show you the remaining time and you need to wait until it's all done. Once it's done, everything will be transferred. Also, if you're transferring apps, then even post-transfer, it will take a moment for all of these apps to get downloaded and then you'll be good to go. So let's wait until it's finished. By the way, make sure not to let your screen go off. So I'm gonna select keep screen on. And just make sure that your phone doesn't turn off, because it will stop the data transfer. And now, as we can see, the data was just transferred. So I'm gonna click on done on this old phone and I can put it away. And on the Samsung, I can click on next, then click on done. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.